Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious blueberry muffins. This recipe only has a few ingredients and a couple easy steps, so let's get started. Okay, I have my ingredients laid out over here. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have 1/3 cup of oil. You can use any oil you want. I use vegetable oil. Here I have 1/2 cup of milk. You don't necessarily have to use dairy milk. You can use any milk you want. Here I have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and lastly, of course, it's a blueberry muffin, so we need blueberries. So here's 1 cup of blueberries. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna start by mixing in our dry ingredients. So I'm gonna add my flour to the bowl. And I'm gonna add sugar. And then I'm gonna add my baking powder and my salt. And I'm just gonna mix this up until it's all blended. Okay, now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. I'm gonna add my oil. I'm gonna mix that in just a little bit. I'm gonna add my egg. And my milk. So now I'm gonna mix this up until it forms a batter. Okay, my batter is nice. Now I'm gonna add in the vanilla. And I'm gonna add in my blueberries. So I just wanna gently fold that in so that the blueberries are in there. Okay, now we're gonna put our batter into these muffin tins. You don't have to use blueberries if you don't have those. You can use anything you want. You can use chocolate chips or strawberries. So now I'm just gonna scoop these into our muffin tins. These would make about 8 large blueberry muffins. So you just wanna fill these to the top. I finished spooning my batter into these cups. They look so perfect. In the meanwhile, my oven has been preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, these just came out of the oven. They look so amazing. One trick I did use is to make the tops crispier, I sprinkled a little bit of sugar on them. Okay, I can't wait to try this. That is so good. The edges are so crisp and then the inside is just soft and gooey. This is amazing. You have to try this. Anyways, if you like this recipe, then make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It was super easy to make. It took 5 minutes to mix the ingredients. It took 15 minutes to bake it in the oven. And most of these ingredients are pretty easy to find, and you might even just have them in your pantry. Anyway, I guarantee you that you will be pleased with this recipe.